schedule is 1:30. I have 1 hour. I planned earlier to practice some of our dance, pero hindi ako practice because I was like woke up very late. So, hindi ko rin nadadisturbo yung mga kasama ko sa kwarto kasi natutulog pero isa na. So, yung journey nila, mas pang-realize na sa sige, taga-agtos kay. Ga-practice. Ayan.
Why you taking video?
Yeah.
Saan siya kay Meme?
Today is our first day of, alin to? Practice! Yes! Anong oras na? It's
11:11.
9:46.
Yung mismong, ano lang, yung kanta ng asin niya,
Oo, yung parang yan. Parang sa asin na lang.
Agad ka na?
Sa?
Sexy nga natin.
Ay, may sobrang
Saan yan, me?
natural ba? Alumni.
Ewan ko, ano kaya next naman nga, ano? Dahil kailan kita mag-alumni sa Badyangan?
Sayo mo. Wala ka nag-attend ko last nga alumni
Wa.
nila. Ano gusto ha? Sa Bulabog. Hindi na ka pa. Hindi na pa mo. Sinuguro. Maganda namin mo.
Okay, so parating ko lang. And wait a minute. I have to get my key. Wait lang. Nasa ano na guys, 11, I have 12:33 na pala. Alright, so nasa 12:30 na ng hapon. Ayan, break time ko na guys. Naantok ako, and the second thing was I feel I have a little headache. Yesterday started yesterday. And what else? So meron akong dalang ulam. Ayan, I was not feeling good. Look at this. So, ano to, inasal and then gulay na langka. So, yeah. It's very hot. I will on first. Kasi may init. Ang dami ko pang labahan na. Alright, so, ayun guys, kakarating ko lang. Time check muna tayo. It's 12:37. So, ang init-init ng panahon. And I am not feeling good also because I have runny nose. And at the same time, I have a headache yesterday. But still, I go and duty. So, it's my break time right now. I started this morning 5:30 and then until 12:30. So, from 12:30 until 5:30, it's going to be my break time. So, I have some time for eating, for sleeping, for taking a rest. I have a little pain on my back. Ayan, alam mo yun, yung parang nagva-vibrate, parang ganun. And then, so I'm just waiting now for the rice kasi magdadala yung kasama ko ng rice. She have 30 minutes left pa ng duty kasi mamaya babalik din ako ng mga around mga nasa 5:30. So, ako yung unang babalik. And then, ano pa ba yung mga updates? So, ayun, I wasn't able to do my vlog for how many days, I think, mga 2 to 3 days already kasi it's been very busy. And the thing was, meron din akong kasama, so I was not able to make a vlog, parang ganun. Kasi syempre hindi bawal, maingay. Tapos yung iba naman kasi natutulog. So, yung kasamahan ko. So, we are 4 sa isang room, kaya ganun. So, I have to consider also yung kanilang time and yung pagtutulog nila or pagpapahinga. So, yeah. So, my plan today is to go live stream until later. Kasi for sure, naantok talaga ako guys. Kasi 2 days ago, we have a practice and I think that's also one of the cause na medyo sumama yung pakaramdam ko kasi tuloy-tuloy yung duty 11 hours and then after that, practice pa for 2.5 hours. So, I feel like medyo bugbog yung katawan. But, anyways, I think it's going to be worth it. So, yung plan ko for our dance practice was every other night. So, later we have a practice and I will be until 9:30. So, I was able to wait for the other one na gusto mag-practice. But, hindi ko din siya pipilitan kung ayaw din naman na mag-practice ng iba. And yung kasama pa namin is day off. So, yung isang kasama namin day off. So, yung first day so far ng practice namin, okay naman. Bali, 4 lang kami and ayun, nasa 2.5 hours siya before, after kumbaga natapos. So, ayun, kasi yung the problem was, iba-iba kasi yung schedule. So, merong until 9:30, merong until 11 p.m. So, hindi siya talaga magkakapareho. Unlike before, ng mga 2016, 2017 na same time yung uwian ng mga second batch. Pero ngayon kasi iba, nag-last na ng 1 hour. And, yeah, yun yung nagiging kasi diba, 9:30, let's say, tapos ka na ng 9:30 and then, you will be the one who will, facilitate para mag-practice. So, yeah, it's also takes time. And it takes time. I mean, you have to use your ilang oras pa. Start 9:30, 10:30, 11. So, you have 1.5 hours na paghihintay sa mga kasamahan mo. So, ayun, ano pa yung mga update sa life ko? So far, ayun, ano pa? Ayun nga, so, dahil sobrang aga ko, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So, soon guys, kakain kami and I will start my live stream very soon. Kasi hindi na din ako nakapag-live. Guys, so, kahapon, I already received yung result ko for my health card and andito na siya. So, wait lang, I will show you. Bali, okay naman siya guys. Everything is normal. Even I just found dumi from my coworkers. Kasi no choice naman. That time kasi na mayroong orientation and at the same time, kailangan na meron ka ng dala na something ihi. And also yung dumi. So, wala kang choice kasi nasa an hour na kung baka sa CR, but wala. So, I don't have choice. That's why, very successful naman siya, guys. Wala siyang problema. And, hindi na rin yung result. Meron na din akong health card. And I already passed it kasi it's mandatory, if you are working in some Boracay or in an island like this, required talaga nila. And, kailangan din na nakamonitor na hindi siya expire. So, let's see kung ano yung aking result. Ito guys, bali, November 11 ay na-receive ko na yung results. And then, last week, nung Friday yata. Yes, last Friday ako nagpa-medical. Tawag dyan, yes, nagpa-medical and sa ihi lang and then sa dumi. And then yung diagnostic naman, yung x-ray ko naman is last, yung day of ko nung November 7 ko siya nakuha. So at least hindi siya magkalayo kasi kung kailan ma-expire yung x-ray mo, yun din yung expiration ng ng health card. So bali next year, ma-expire na siya November 7. So yun yung expiration ng aking health card. Ayan. Wala naman siya guys na problema. Kasi marami kasi nag-ulit. Gano'n. Ito naman. Okay. So, okay lang din naman. Okay naman yung result. Ayan. Hindi ko na siya ipapakita. Basta at dito siya nakalagay. And anyway, napasa na pala yung aking health card. Kasi kailangan kasi siyang i-collect ng company para mabigyan ng farm permit, ganun yung pinagtatrabahuhan ko. So, kami naman lahat siya kinakailangan talaga. Tapos isa din yung hindi dapat expire. And then ayun, so yung manok ko, I have also guys, manok. Yan, kinuha ko kahapon yung kalahati ng manok. Was given to me. Ayan, binigay lang din sa akin. And until now, nasa pa rin siya, nasa freezer pa din. Kasi, hinihintay ko pa na lutuin ni Atibik. Kasi sila yung may lutuan dito. And then, at the same time, meron din sila mga ingredients. Ako wala. So, yeah. Or else, kahit mantika. So, yung mantika dito nasa 100 na. So, mabuti na lang na ipapaluto na lang, diba? So, half chicken lang yun, guys. And, maybe pang yun, tawag dyan, sumsuman. At nga pala, and thank you so much sa nagbigay ng half na chicken.